Sid, you wanna come over here? No. Want watermelon? Yeah?
There you go. Let's check out those legs. Check out those thighs. We have to catch those on tape. Someday we'll tease you about those, Sid.